Hi everyone, this is Amy, and I'm here to tell you about my newest product launch, Treasured Threads. I've been so lucky to create this partnership with Colonial Patterns, which is located right here in my hometown of Kansas City. If you didn't know, Colonial Patterns has been producing the famous Aunt Martha's embroidery patterns for over 85 years. The new Treasured Threads fabric panels are a culmination of my love for vintage textiles and passion for repurposing thrifted fabrics and pre-loved apparel. Truly a dream come true. I also developed some signature techniques for applying patchwork that I'm thrilled to share with you. With every panel purchase, you'll receive exclusive access to printable PDF patterns, video tutorials, and a lookbook of ideas. Recycling fabrics has always been a favorite focus of mine as I developed Indigo Junction sewing patterns and published numerous books over the last 30 years. Now, using my vintage collection of art, textiles, and quilts, I've designed 5 new Treasured Threads panels for you to embroider, quilt, stitch, or collage. These authentic digital reproductions are perfect for small projects and applique, with each panel curated to perfectly coordinate. Let's take a look at the panels. I want to share with you my Missouri Star Blue panel. I've been collecting patchwork for years to create this panel. The color palette is absolutely perfect for using with almost any shade of denim. The signature block is the familiar Missouri Star pattern, and this panel features 20 unique prints. Check out the fun way I used it on this jean jacket. Next, we have the postage stamp retro panel. This panel has over 150 individual feed sack prints. Isn't that incredible? Just look at the detail. We have designed it into 2 scales of patchwork, as well as including some fun coordinating prints, also from vintage feed sacks. I always have so much fun adding embroidery to this panel, not to mention the enjoyment of hand quilting the patchwork. Now let's take a look at the collaged Western rodeo pattern. Being from Kansas, I've always loved Western style. This panel lends itself to both home decor and fashion. Have fun combining it with leather and turquoise accents, not to mention colored denim. This iconic imagery is perfect for adults and kids alike. Okay, who doesn't love flowers? The Roses and Daisies patchwork panel is composed of vintage quilt blocks that I found at the International Quilt Festival in Houston. The variety in this panel lends itself to dressing up your denim, and the print is perfect for adding quilting and embroidered floral details. Now let's do a little globe trotting. Join me on a world tour with the Collaged Around the World panel. Think landmarks, postcards, stamps, and more that will give you an eclectic vintage look. I love it with stripes and plaids. It's also one of the best patterns for masculine projects. After you purchase a panel, you'll find a QR code on the inside of the packaging that will take you to some exclusive online content. There are 3 printable PDF patterns with detailed instructions for a crossbody bag, zipper pouch, and eyeglass case. The QR code will also give you an extensive lookbook with over 25 pages of project ideas. Treasured Threads truly offers endless inspiration for creating unique and sustainable sewing projects. While we're at it, another new product I can't wait to share with you is our Favorite Fusible Stabilizer. We have developed this low-loft fusible batting as a perfect companion to our fabric panels. It's got a great fusible surface that makes it quick and easy to use for beginners or advanced sewers. There are so many uses for this stabilizer. Use it to give a layer of body, softness, and stability to almost anything you create. You can easily layer this fusible batting with fabric and add decorative stitching for a dimensional hand-quilted look. You can use it to create a sturdy fabric for functional projects such as crossbody bags or an eyeglass case. Keep in mind, both those patterns are included with each fabric panel. One of my favorite uses for this stabilizer is hand embroidery. It's a wonderful backing for your stitching projects. No hoop required. With the purchase of the Favorite Fusible batting, you will find a QR code with detailed videos, PDF instructions for both the patchwork and repair applique techniques. Both methods are great for embellishing or mending favorites from your home or closet. To find treasured Threadz panels and stabilizer, check your local fabric shop. You know I love to shop local. Or to purchase online, visit my partner Colonial Patterns at colonialpatterns.com. If you are feeling inspired and can't wait to get started, be sure to join my newsletter on my website, amybarickman.com. You will receive updates and inspiration, including sewing tips and techniques. You'll be the first to hear about my new patterns, videos, and blog posts. And of course, all the most current treasured Threadz product releases. It's the best way to keep up to date on our latest projects and best ideas to spark your creative spirit. Thanks for letting me share treasured Threadz with you. I can't wait to see what you create.